That's a creative camera. Hey everyone, this is NarjesS and I'm doing another video blogging. I'm trying to set this camera lock to the way the lighting is perfect. I don't know, hopefully it's perfect now. Uh, Hi. The topic today I pick is, can you be your own savior? The answer is yes, it's possible. And how are we gonna do it? And what is making me so confident about saying that is you have to embrace every moment of your life. You have to allow it to any situation you are at this particular moment. Do not label it. Embrace it fully. Embrace it fully from inside out and outside in. It is what it is, my friend. Some of you guys, maybe this statement is harsh, or you don't even know how you embrace it. Something I know, you will find the answer, and the answer is unique only for you. The answer you receive intuitively is for you. And if you want to share it with me, to your neighbor, to your partner, to your family, it's not gonna be the way is open for you. That box, that information, it was just for you. Don't even try it. Does not matter what situation you are. Embrace it fully. And as you're going forward, you're gaining the habit. You will find the answer. And those one, it was harming yourself and the community, is not gonna happen anymore if you embrace it fully. Embracing does not mean you are right or wrong. Embrace it does that mean the situation at this moment bring that pressure or bring that happiness for you, and you are fully aware of it, and that's helped to go forward. Some of those topic is hard to embrace. Maybe you need few times to shake your head, turn around and say, but what can I say? That's my suggestion. Don't even judge it. Let it go. For whatever reason, you've been in that situation, that for whatever reason you make it that decision, and for whatever reason that's the outcome. As I'm talking to you, I reminding myself to let it go. I tell myself all the time, let it go, because sometimes I know in life why I did what I done before, but it still does not fully explain, because I am not that person at that moment. Whatever that situation is affect me today is nothing to do with my day and moment today. That is almost your physical life trying to remind you you are living in this body and you have to deal with the duality. And as long as you are living with duality, every time somebody was dropping something in the garbage can, and you put the good soundtrack in my video. You put the soundtrack in my video. That's okay. That's okay. And I could not do anything, just simple as that. Somebody shooting the video, somebody throwing the garbage, closing the door. We cannot control it. I can say, cut, director, throw it out of the movie, but I said I'm not gonna do anything. Remember that? And that's was part of it. Yeah, that's a reminder. Let it go. Embrace the situation fully. Send it with the blessing. That's part of your footprint. And life is beautiful. I love you, every single individual. Thanks for support. Thanks for um, Kurtik. Um, hopefully, every day I can put better video up there. I do my best. And love you all. God bless you all. Have a great day.